Mike Westphal here at McDonald Garden Center, and today I want to tell you about tablescapes. So this is a great way of decorating tables maybe in your hallway, or your kitchen, or your dining room table, or even up on the mantle. So there's a lot of great different ways of doing that. What I always like to do is start with the centerpiece. So here I've got a nice glass bowl that we've decorated with our Simplex candle, one of my favorite candles, real easy to use. It's an LED light, it's a very virtual, natural flame, and it naturally moves, and it's made out of real wax, so it's almost like the real thing, but you can use them in so many different applications. We've decorated here with a little bit of moss and some Tillandsias, but then what I like to do next is get some greenery. You can use fresh cut greenery. This is our light greenery. There's a lot of different styles and types, whether it be Fraser fir, this is cypress, you can use boxwood, eucalyptus. There's so many different types out there. But this is a great looking cypress. It's got a nice little bit of a hint of lime green in it, which is gonna pair nicely to our moss in our bowl. And then we're gonna add light. So that's kind of the next step that I like to do is add lights. This is our Durwise battery operated light. It's a great way of getting a lot of light with a battery pack. So a lot of times when you're gonna see a battery pack light, it's gonna be 25 to 50 lights. This is 192 lights on this one string with 3 AA's. It's also got 8 different functions, and it's built in, and it's got a built-in timer. And it's a really easy battery pack to hide. So I'm gonna work those in through the garland here. Basically what I like to do is just lay them on top of the garland, and then I'll just go through and pull some of my cypress or whatever lifelike greenery that I'm using, just pull it through there, and it kind of hides the wire. There's a lot of different other things that you can use in your tablescape. I love ornaments, so one great way is just popping in your ornaments in there. So silver, you could do red, you could do any kind of color that you might want to use. Also, we have a ton of lifelike picks here at our stores. So we've got berries, eucalyptus, boxwood, different types of Fraser fir, different types of looks. Again, when the cut greens are gonna be here any day, so you can use those for that fragrance inside your home. But you're just gonna work those right in, real easy to do. So there's a lot of different ways. And then of course, ribbon. So ribbon is a great way of adding color and texture to your tablescape. And that's real easy just to work in and through. It's all wired, so it's real easy to shape it, so you can do that as well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to do a very natural, very cool kind of modern look using Tillandsias. So Tillandsias I have here in my centerpiece already, and then I've worked the lights in through. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use all these different types of Tillandsias. There's so many different types and textures. They're so easy to grow. They naturally will grow with the humidity in your home. You can mist them every once in a while. Very, very easy, very versatile plant, but it's gonna give us that really cool kind of natural look. So we're just gonna pop those in here and there. And I really like to say, just don't think about it, just make it kind of go where it goes, because it's usually the best look is when you just kind of put them in there naturally and just let them do their thing. So love this red one, lots of color for the Christmas season. And this is something that you can change out throughout the year. So you can always do different ones, whatever season it might be. If it's for Thanksgiving, you can change it for Christmas. Real easy and versatile way of decorating your table. What I've done here is I've paired 2 of our green Simplex candles because it pulls out that nice green look. And then I've got some extra cedar pick that I'm just gonna put in there just to kind of fill it up a little bit right in the front. So that's gonna make it look nice and full. And there you go, real easy. So there's a lot of different ways of doing that. We're here to help. We've got a lot of designers here in our stores that can help you with any kind of design you might be looking for, whether it's a theme or something that you want to marry with something else that you're doing in your home. So a great way of adding cheer and just doing something different every year. So come in and check us out here at McDonald Garden Center.